It was early on in my captaincy career and we played the Waratahs here at home. We had a plan to kick to Israel Folau. We were going to tackle him as soon as he landed and take him out of the game. And he was just too good.
Folau, well, we know how dangerous he is in the air, and now Folau's got open spaces ahead of him. He's got Beal inside. Beal's just dragged down, but he's got Folau inside him again. Folau is in.
We said, okay, we'll just carry on. Let's just nail the execution of it. The plan's fine.
Yeah, and it'll be on bridge once more, and he's got Folau coming up and over him. Folau tried to get a white play on as the call.
They scored again and again and again.
It's raining tries here for the Waratahs.
Okay, the plan's not working. What do we need to do here? We need to score some points and get some confidence back. Change a few words around.
Penalty advantage in their favour. I thought Wonga stepping and weaving, and he pops it up for John Mooney. Welcome back.
We scored just before half-time.
Pulling forward, the Crusaders driving forward and over.
We changed the plan on the run.
Hall has to get rid of it. He flips it out right. Big up and over the top, numbers out wide for Tamani Valley. Tamani Valley's going to crash in for the Crusaders' third try.
The senior players were driving it, the senior leaders were as well, myself included. We were driving, being close is not good enough. We need to get in front and then keep going forward.
A penalty try will put the Crusaders in front from 29-0 down to 31-29.
We got in front and all of a sudden there was about 5 minutes to go.
Crusaders wanting to be careful, giving away a penalty, but the Waratahs have got a lot of ground to go, and it looks like the Crusaders have turned it over. Turnover ball for the Crusaders, and that'll do it. The Crusaders have produced an almighty comeback.
That's probably one of the most enjoyable games I've been a part of.
That is one of the most hard-fought wins the Crusaders will have had on this ground for some time. The records remain intact.